I want to be a scientist.
I want to be a chef.
I want to be a doctor.
Yeah, but where can we go?
I have no idea.
I know where we can go.
Where?
We can go to the CTE Center.
What's that?
It's a place in Frisco where you can learn all kinds of cool stuff.
They probably don't have cooking.
They sure do. They have health science and IT.
No way.
Yep.
The Frisco ISD Career and Technical Education Center is a state-of-the-art facility with real-world learning spaces and equipment for career-minded students. Please contact us for more info on getting your career started.